Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the REDTIGER 4K dash cam front and rear, a must-have for all you car enthusiasts out there. This incredible dash cam gives you the ability to capture your drive journey in stunning 4K resolution with a 170-degree wide-angle view lens for the front camera and 1080p resolution with a 140-degree wide angle for the rear camera. With WDR technology and super night vision, you'll have reliable recordings day and night, no matter the lighting conditions. One of the most impressive features of this dashcam is the upgraded touchscreen that allows you to access all the features including video recording, playback, and settings. The super capacitor ensures optimal performance and longevity, no matter the temperature fluctuations. But that's not all. The built-in GPS and Wi-Fi connectivity allow you to quickly access and playback your recorded videos on your mobile phone, as well as share your driving experiences in real time. The loop recording and G-sensor functions ensure that your footage is protected and won't be overwritten, while the 24-hour parking monitoring mode provides continuous surveillance for your vehicle. And if that wasn't enough, the dash camera comes with a free 64GB card and a 12-month warranty. With its super capacitor, 4K resolution, and a wide range of features, the REDTIGER 4K dash cam front and rear is a game changer for car safety and security. Don't miss out on this incredible product. Check out the link in the description to get your own today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tips on the latest and greatest car gadgets. See you next time.